your one.
Right, so today guys, we're going to go and look at a car, possibly buy it. It's looks like a 911, an old 911. It's not an old 911, and it's not a replica. Cryptic. I wonder what it could be. Find out. And also, it's something that is incredibly rare. There's not many of, and it's British made. Continue. And it's not a kit car. Factory built. Just pumping tyres up. Get a bit of air in them. There she is, guys. Little fiberglass beauty. Like wearing fucking boxing boots. And now we're going to the seafront. Ah, seaside. Lovely. Let's go have some splash in the water. Some live oysters found on the beach, Clacton on Sea. Turn it over, babes, have a look.
Oh, there we are.
That's cool, isn't it? There's two together. There you go. And put it back in.
Right.
What, you're throwing like that?
Yeah,
go on then, throw it, go on.
no, actually, let's not throw it.
You're going to place them in?
Yeah. Like, throw it now.
Yeah, go on, yeah. There you go. That's it, back in the water. Well done.
Oh, it's upside down.
I don't think you can tell which side up he is.
Are you sure?
I don't think so.
You made him dizzy.
You made him dizzy? Well, he's get a blood rush to his head.
Put it upside down.
Oh, you're going to put it the other way?
Yeah.
Right, okay, hold on then, hold on. Ooh la la. There we go, babes.
More there.
Yeah, should we go over? Alright, we'll come over. Includes a lovely day at the beach and picked up this cool little thing. Let's go home. That is very cool, that. I'm quite impressed. Alright. Lime green, I think, lime green. So there she is, she's on the way home now. Great day, great success. Cool. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave your comments in the comment section below on what you think the car actually is. In the next video we'll be pulling the engine out, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, check out my other builds. Thank you very much, see you in the next one.